All right, so I wanted to do just a quick update on some of the vehicles that we are going to be currently building that we'll offer for the summer. So first of all, we are nearing completion on two 1962s, both marine blue, and these are customer vehicles. So these vehicles are already spoken for. But after these ones are done, we're going to get two vehicles in that will be offered for sale on our website. So these vehicles represent two completely new offerings from NAO. So first of all, the 1971 that we're going to be offering will be a no-top truck. So we posted recently a video of an early 60s blue truck with no top, and the comments have been overwhelmingly positive. So we decided to offer what we call our version 4 basic. So this is a lower cost restoration because a lot of the bells and whistles of the version 4 are deleted from the vehicle, and just a simplified version of the version 4 specs. It still has all the same mechanical components and full galvanizing package, just it's a slightly simplified vehicle without a top and with a fold down windshield. So that vehicle will be ready sometime midsummer. It's going to be a pastel green 71. So that's our version 4 basic. The other vehicle that we're getting into our build queue here will be a 1959 also in pastel green, and this is what we're calling our version 4 2.5. So that's the version 4, the normal version 4 specs, except now with a 2.5 liter engine. So basically a stroker version of the original 2.25 engine. And as you probably know, the Series 2s, the very early trucks like the 59, they have engines that have a lot of really hard to find parts, like water pumps are hard to find. The heads are a slightly different design with a different thermostat that can be hard to find. And our goal is to create an engine bay that looks very similar to the original Series 2, the same gray color engine paint and the same look, but with a 2.5 liter block. So a stroker version of the original engine, which looks almost identical except for a little bit of extra strengthening ribs on the side of the block. So that will be a fully optioned version 4 truck with a 2.5. And that truck will also be extremely unique because it will have a cat flap with a tailgate. So you have this lift gate that opens up like this, and then a tailgate that drops down. And the main benefit for that top is that it can be easily removed. There's no swing out door to unbolt from the top in order to remove it. With a swing out door, if you remove the top, you would now have no door essentially on the back of the vehicle. But with a tailgate and cat flap, you can remove the top and instantly have a no top truck, again, for summer driving, and then put the top back on easily with two people for winter time. So this is a configuration that Land Rover offered in the late 50s up to about the mid 60s, and we've never done a restoration with this configuration before. So we're super excited for these two pastel green trucks. And it's not intentional that as we build pairs of trucks, they are the same color. That's just a coincidence. So keep an eye on the social media for these trucks that will be ready for summer. They will also be offered for sale on the website. So there you can find the pricing and some spec sheets and some more information. So then that's NorthAmericaOverland.com. And as always, if you're interested in talking more about the spec sheets on these trucks or any specifics, you can email us at NorthAmericaOverland@gmail.com.